سورة الطارق. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from the expelled Satan.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
والسماء والطارق.
By the sky and the knocker-comer.
وما أدراك ما الطارق.
And what can make you know what is the knocker-comer?
النجم الثاقب.
It is the piercing star.
إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ.
There is no soul but that it has over it a protector.
فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق.
So let man observe from what he was created.
خلق من ماء دافق.
He was created from a fluid ejected.
يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب.
Emerging from between the backbone and the ribs.
إنه على رجعه لقادر.
Indeed he, i.e. Allah, to return him to life, is able.
يوم تبلى السرائر.
The day when secrets will be put on trial.
فما له من قوة ولا ناصر.
Then he, i.e. man, will have no power or any helper.
والسماء ذات الرجع.
By the sky which sends back.
والأرض ذات الصدع.
And by the earth which splits.
إنه لقول فصل.
Indeed it, i.e. the Quran, is a decisive statement.
وما هو بالهزل.
And it is not amusement.
إنهم يكيدون كيدا. إنهم يكيدون كيدا.
Indeed, they are planning a plan.
وأكيد كيدا.
But I am planning a plan.
فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا.
So allow time for the disbelievers. Leave them a while.